It's Curated Bead Box time. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, we are doing the March 2025 Curated Bead Box. All right, let's see what this guy is for the March. Oh, that's pretty. Spring blooms. All right, actually, first glance, I think Mardi Gras. Wait till we get them all out together and you'll see what I mean. So the first item is 10mm Celebration Abstract Glass Bead in a 6-inch string. Okay, I believe it's this one. A lot of silvers and pinks and some black in there. Oh, okay, I didn't see that a minute ago. That is, give me just a second. This is transparent in places. I'm not sure how well it's going to pick up on the camera, but it's got that silver overlay, but yet there's areas where it's kind of a transparent. Well, my goodness. I'll get it in a minute. I don't know how well you can see that. That's really pretty. Okay, so that's our first one. The second one is a 10mm Meadow Abstract Glass Bead in an 8-inch string. And I believe it's talking about this one. That looks like a party. Okay, y'all, I think that's better. It's the time of day where the sun's just kind of in that lower spot that makes it hard to see stuff. And it just wasn't doing good. But anyway, there's the abstract meadow. Now, these are all opaque. But don't they look kind of Mardi Gras-ish? And then this actually would match that Mardi Gras theme. But this is a 10mm drizzle green and gold glass bead on a 6-inch string. But that's pretty. That could be Mardi Gras. That could even go for St. Patrick's Day. Next, we have an 8mm Fern Jade Style Glass Bead in a 16-inch string. It's got to be this one. Just a real pretty green. And again, these are 8mm. I'm wanting to do, I actually wanted to do, there's still shadow there. A St. Patrick's Day watchband, like I did for the Valentine's. And I still plan on doing it. But I'm just trying to debate what I want to use. Because I was going to go with the dollar bead box, the last one that I had opened. Because it had a lot of green in it, if you recall. And if you've not seen that, I can link it down in the description box below. And that way you can go and look at that. But that was the dollar bead box for February of 2025. It had a lot of different greens. But some of this would be pretty with it. But this is also kind of springy, as you'll see. Next is 8mm light green marble style glass bead. And it's just like that, except for it's that real pretty. That's real pretty. I like that color green. Just kind of bright and springy feeling to it. I'm ready for spring. I guess we all are, unless you're a snow lover. Thought I could do this unboxing without my bead mat because I still have everything all over it. I think I regret that decision. So next time we do an unboxing, the bead mat will be back. But isn't that pretty so far? All right, now the last 8mm is a Carnelian Citrine Duo Style glass bead. And that is that one. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Sit still. All right, now we have, we're going into our 6mm. We have a yellow marble style glass bead and a 16-inch string, and that's a real pretty, brighter yellow. My niece is getting married at the end of the month. This is one of her colors. She's also doing sunflowers, but she's having yellow, red, and black. And black are her colors. I guess this is the way this unboxing is going to go today. Oh my gosh. Next, we have 6mm hot pink gemstone style glass beads in a 10-inch string. And those are definitely hot pink. They're pretty. This set almost lends itself to like daisies, like the daisy bracelets and stuff. I'm not sure if you know what I'm talking about or not, and you'll see as I go. Okay, next is 6/0 soft green glass seed beads. And there's those pretty seed beads. That's a real pretty color. Real pretty, almost mint green. And does it say AB finish? Because it looks like it's got one. Doesn't say, but it looks like it has that AB finish. If you look at that, can you tell? Hopefully my camera's picking up. I don't know. Next, we have 6/0 hot pink gemstone style glass beads, seed beads. But see, wouldn't that make pretty, with some of these, make real pretty daisy bracelets? I'll have to try to make one. Curated Bead Box is another Curated Bead Box company. That's just their name. And they put together a monthly bead box, and then with them, they always have findings and stuff, so you can go ahead and get started that day. But they will curate a set for you and send it out, and you just go and subscribe to their monthly subscription, and it's $20 a month. and that includes the taxes and shipping. And it's $20 a month. And like I have said a million times, and I'll always say it, you can't go to like one of these big box stores and get a bunch of gemstones and seed beads and glass beads and different stuff like that for this amount, plus, you know, some of the findings and links and different stuff for $20 a month. You just can't do it. So if you are a person that is a jewelry maker, this is the best way to go, especially if you're new at this and you're wanting to kind of get your feet wet and get started. This is a great way to go. You can also, I'm going to put their link down in the description box below, and go to that link. It's of course through me, and type in and go ahead and order. And when you sign up, type in, the code is April 35. Again, that's April 35. And you put that in the little code box thing, and that saves you 35% off of your very first order. And I think it brings it down to like $17. So, I mean, $17, if, like I said, if you just wanted to get your feet wet, it's just worth it. I haven't been disappointed with anything that I've received from them. I've got a couple of these bead box companies that are my favorite, and they're one of the top two. So I really do enjoy them. So anyway, go click on that link, go subscribe, get started. I went ahead and decided to do just a real quick earring, a real cute set. And I want to show you how I've done that. And that way, that is good for spring, St. Patrick's Day. If you don't like those colors, you can switch them out. But that's just one idea. Let me show you how I made it. It was super easy, quick. Now, of course, like I've said, you come with head pins and earring hooks. So you've got everything you need. Take your nylon pliers and straighten these out, because they usually come crooked. But it's not hard to fix. Just, it hurts my hand to hold it down here, so I take my pliers gently and just kind of hold it right at the end there, and just work around until I get it straightened back out. And that's it, no big deal. Okay, so I took one of those green seed beads. Now, these are irregular seed beads, so you might want to make sure that you're getting some that are similar in size. See, like those two wouldn't be. But those two would, I think. Let's see about that one. Okay, I think those two will. Stick those there. But unless you get the, what is it, Toho beads, or I forgot what that other one's called, then they're going to, oh, that hole's not been drilled out. Then they're going to be irregular, and that's why those beads are a little bit more expensive. Okay, so a green seed bead, then that 8mm green, then one of those marble greens. No, oops, sorry, hold on. I grabbed a spacer bead out of my own stash, so I'm putting a spacer bead there. Then that marble. Then another spacer bead, like that, and then finally that green one. Well, not finally. This is finally another seed bead. So real simple pattern. I think it's cute anyway. And then we are going to do, I'll show you something here in a second. Then we're going to hook it to the daisy. Now this is kind of short, so we're not going to be able to do a wrapped loop. If you want to do a wrapped loop, then just get wire off your chain and make your own head pin, or get a head pin that's, because this is probably about a 2-inch, just get a 3-inch head pin, and you should be able to do a wrap loop. But we're just going to do a simple loop, so I'm going to go do a little 90-degree angle, and I always clip it right at my fingernail, like that. careful because they like to fly everywhere. I think that did. All right, then round those pliers and wrap it on around. Okay. Now, we're open there a little bit, but that's okay because I'm getting ready to close it down. So take your daisy, and it doesn't matter. There's no top or bottom. There is a back and a front, but there is no top or bottom, so it doesn't matter which one you grab. And then take your loop and close it on down. Okay. It does bend. You can always straighten it out. Then we're going to take our ear wire and put it on. And that's it. Just simple little pair of earrings. There it is. Okay, just make sure here that you're going, there's the back of the ear wire. There's the back of my, nope, I done it wrong. There's the front. Okay, back. Always look before you close it down. I've done that so many times. Okay, so that one's closed down now. And there's our cute little set of earrings. I think they're cute. Okay, I did want to show you something though. Let me grab another head pin and straighten it out in case you don't have any of those spacer beads. Straighten that head pin out. One thing that you could do is seed bead that green one. Then you could take the jump ring that actually comes with the kit, set it on there. Then that marble looking one. Then another jump ring. Then that next green one. And I don't think I can get this. Let's see, here's a seed bead. Well, April. And then another seed bead. And it's, you know, it's very similar to the look. It's just a little thinner. And you want to make sure that your beads are sitting on top of each other good. That's what keeps the jump ring in place. But see, it's not a whole lot of difference. If you want to, if you don't have any spacer beads and you want to do that, you can. All right then. So that is the end of the video, and I think I've done gave you my spiel on Curated Bead Box. So go check them out. The link is down below. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.